Today we're going to talk about what is becoming my favorite native Texas plant, the Texas sage.
Howdy!
All right, here we go. Not only is the Texas sage drought tolerant, but it's also freeze tolerant. I've been recommending this plant to everybody that lost their shrubs or front landscaping in the freeze. There's a couple of different varieties of Texas sage. This is the Silverado. You can kind of tell the difference because it has a grayish, snowy, kind of frosted leaf and a milder purple flower than the other varieties. As you can see, they're blooming like crazy right now out here in the Texas heat. They love full sun, they love the heat, and they don't require a whole lot of water. So if you're looking to bring pollinators into the garden, the butterflies, the bees, the hummingbirds all love this plant, and it blooms all summer long. One of the reasons I got it from my buddy Jorge's nursery is because there's a myth that when it's about to rain, the flowers bloom, which I guess isn't exactly the case because it's been blooming for a week and we haven't got rain in 2 weeks. So yeah, but it's still a beautiful little flower. I would definitely recommend this to someone who's not a garden person, someone who's looking to get their landscaping done and doesn't want to have to deal with a bunch of hassle of watering all the time. These are perfect for your flower beds or your landscaping in a spot where your hose doesn't reach because they don't require a whole lot of watering. A lot of people grow these in hedgerows because they'll grow 2 to 5 feet tall. Some varieties will even get 10 feet tall, but you can really prune and kind of hack them back to a manageable size to whatever desired height you want. So it's a really cool option, and they do really well in this Texas heat without a lot of water. I mean, they just do amazing. I can't believe these blooms right now. You don't really have to feed these very often, but I looked on the bottle for the Nelson's Plant Food for hibiscus, and it actually lists Texas sage right here on the bottle. So I've been feeding this monthly when I feed all my other hibiscus. And obviously, it's working. So you can see I've got mine in a pot because I live in a subdivision and I don't want to be here forever. So when I leave, I want to take it with me, and it's doing amazing. I'd recommend this to anybody who's looking for like a carefree landscape, someone who doesn't water every single day. I'd recommend this to someone who's trying to bring in pollinators to their garden. You could grow these as a privacy hedge if you let them get 5 foot tall, 6 foot tall. They don't lose their leaves in the winter. And then I also recommend this to someone who's trying to get more into native plants. Like I said, this is a Texas native. There's a lot of native plant people out there. So I highly recommend this to anybody, especially with these cold freezes we've been getting. I'm sure you guys are tired of replacing stuff every single year like I am. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next week.
See you later!